Hi, this is Michael Jordan, joining you from our Tinton Falls office of MagnaCare. I am the president of the Labor and Strategic Accounts Division, and today we're going to go over in the broker bulletin some of the upcoming and pending legislation going on in the marketplace that's impacting brokers and licensed agents. We'll start with the Access to the Professional Health Insurance Advisors Act. And in essence, this bill is going to amend the current Public Health Services Act to exclude compensation for licensed producers from the administrative cost side of the equation. The purpose of this will help producers out there be more competitive with the marketplace. As it stands today, with their compensation being part of the fixed cost side of the medical loss ratio component, it's forcing insurance carriers to become more competitive and reduce costs, which ultimately is driving down the amount of compensation for licensed producers in the marketplace. It's critical that licensed producers in the marketplace continue to have a big role in the explanation of benefits out there and assisting plan sponsors. So we believe that this is an important part of the legislation in 2016 that needs to be passed. The Employee Health Care Protection Act. This allows for insurance carriers to continue offering coverage in the group marketplace for any plan written in 2013 to be grandfathered through 2018. This is important because it'll allow for up to 50 million Americans today who are getting coverage through plans that are not federally qualified to continue offering those plans through 2018. If 50 million Americans had to go out and deal with plan cancellations and shop for alternative programs, it would be a significant uptake from all the work that's being done today. Third pending legislation sitting out there is the Equalization of Playing Field for Agents and Brokers Act. And in essence, this bill would allow HHS to establish a toll-free line for those federally qualified programs. In essence, those programs out there that are not offered through state programs or state exchanges. Today, a lot of that information is only accessible to navigators and those assisting or called plan assisters. Going forward, if this information was made available or access to this information was made available to licensed agents and producers, it would allow for them to help their clients better understand the options in front of them. Save American Workers Act is another pending legislation sitting out there. This would amend the current definition in the Internal Revenue Code for full-time employees to move from 30 hours a week to 40 hours a week. This change would allow many employers out there who today have to comply with a lot of the mandates to no longer have to comply with them, since the amount of hours would be increased from 30 to 40. The last piece of legislation we feel that's important out there is the Small Business Health Relief Act. This act is focused on the 2013 guidance by HHS, Department of Labor, and the Treasury, which allows for small business employers to currently, they're excluded from helping out their employees through health reimbursement accounts. In essence, this is helping them manage their out-of-pocket costs. We believe with the passage of this and allowing the small business owner to establish a health reimbursement account for their employees will help them through the challenging marketplace of having high deductibles and high out-of-pocket costs by allowing to provide some relief there. Again, these are 5 bills that we know are sitting out there, pending legislation for 2016, that we want you to keep a mindful eye on going forward as we are here. Thank you.